Good morning. So, what we've done this morning is got these posts in underneath this beam. Feel a lot better about that because it was just two laminated 2x4s before. So now we actually got the two posts in. It's nice and plumb, solid. So now we're gonna climb on up and sheet that. The other thing I did do here this morning is put the nosing on. You can't even see it, but anyways, there's a nosing underneath the edge here. I screwed that on all the way around, so it gives a nice thick nosing. So now let's go up onto this courtyard roof and get that started. Okay, so I actually had to put paper there. That is complete. So now we will set our first sheet. Woot, woot. So I'm sheeting with 5/8. So let's lay this out. Okay. Okay, so now we need a piece at 27. Okay, so we kind of got this sheeted. I'm not sheeting anymore because off the front there is a bulkhead that hangs off the front that's 2 feet thick and runs all the way along the garage till it hits a 2-foot post on that side of the garage. So I'm going to use this sheeting just to tie it in for a little more strength. So for now we got this lower courtyard sheeted. Just simply waiting on scraps to finish that, and I'll probably get something off of here. Okay, so we are jumping up onto the second chunk of roof. Turns out I'm out of nails, so we'll grab a couple of those. It's funny, the wind is out of the north, and as a Canadian, and with this cloud cover, makes me think of winter. And when a breeze comes out of the north in the winter, it is anything but warm, and it does have a little chill feeling to it. And with all the cloud cover, it feels wintry today. I mean, it's not cold, it's just got that gray winter feel. Kind of like it, I guess. And I kind of don't like it because I know what it represents. I got a strange way I feel about winter. I love it and I hate it. When you're gearing up in the morning to work in winter, it's overwhelming. No, not overwhelming. It's a lot. But when I finish a day in the winter, I feel so good about working that day. Weird. It's like I conquered the winter day. So I got this sheeted. Like I said, I'll sheet that later. So now what we're going to do is we are going to build this wall. It's out of 2x8. That is 1/28 and an 1/8. That's 3. 1/28 and an 1/8 minus 3, right? Yeah. 1/25 and an 1/8 are the studs. Okay. And the width is 99 5/8. Measured that already. 99 5/8. Okay. So what I'll do is I will cut everything, and I'm going to build that wall up there because it's wider than it. Nope, I'm going to build it right here. I actually might stand that with a wall jack. Oh, that might be fun. Okay, anyways, I will cut everything, put it on the forks, and lift it all up here, and then build it here. Okay, so we are going to put on the second piece of this front wall here. Because the beam runs through, it's not a tall wall. It's split. So we're going to jack this guy. That'll be fun. I have a kick there, and obviously the wall's kicking it, and then I have to slide it this way. I should have a sledgehammer up here. Yeah. Okay. So I'll get the 2x4 in, and then we'll get jacking it. Okay, so that is the front top half of the second front wall. Top half. Yep. That went good. Really good. So now we're going to drop down one level and I'm going to build the front veranda. Okay, so we'll do this front deck, front veranda in a minute. Okay, so what I've got done here is I put all the hangers in and put this piece on because there's going to be miters here, and these deck boards will stop right about here because there'll be an overhang. So there'll be a 2x6 that runs this way. It'll be mitered, and right about here is where all the deck boards end. So this gives me something to fasten to on the edge. Yeah, good day today. Thank you for watching. You all take care, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.